Window installation in Gilbert is a crucial service for homeowners looking to enhance their property's energy efficiency and aesthetic appeal. With a focus on energy-efficient windows, double-pane windows, custom windows, and patio doors, Gilbert residents can significantly reduce their energy bills while enjoying a more comfortable living environment. Whether you're interested in vinyl windows or insulated windows, Gilbert offers a variety of options to suit your needs. For those seeking patio door services in Gilbert, sliding glass doors and French doors are popular choices that blend functionality with style. Patio door installation in Gilbert ensures seamless integration with your home's design, providing easy access to outdoor spaces. Whether you prefer the elegance of French doors or the modern appeal of sliding glass doors, Gilbert's experts can help you make the right choice. Trust Patio Doors Gilbert for a stylish and practical upgrade. Window installation in Gilbert is essential for maintaining the integrity and performance of your windows. From window frame installation to window glass replacement, Gilbert professionals offer comprehensive solutions to keep your windows in top condition. Window sealing and window caulking are also vital services to prevent drafts and improve energy efficiency, and when paired with Patio Doors Gilbert, they create a complete solution for home comfort. Custom windows in Gilbert allow homeowners to personalize their spaces with unique designs and features. Whether you're interested in bay windows, casement windows, or awning windows, custom options provide the flexibility to match your home's architecture and style. Picture windows are another popular choice for those looking to maximize natural light and enjoy unobstructed views. Pairing custom windows with Patio Doors Gilbert enhances both aesthetics and functionality. Window screen replacement in Gilbert is a practical solution for keeping insects out while allowing fresh air in. Storm windows and window weather stripping are additional measures to enhance your home's protection against the elements. Window glazing and window tinting in Gilbert further contribute to energy savings and privacy, while Patio Doors Gilbert provides seamless access to your outdoor living areas. Glass door installation in Gilbert ensures that your sliding glass doors and French doors remain functional and secure. Window hardware and window tinting services in Gilbert add the finishing touches to your window and door installations, enhancing both performance and appearance. Whether you need window glazing, window weather stripping, or Patio Doors Gilbert, local professionals are equipped to handle all your needs. Residential window replacement in Gilbert is a smart investment for homeowners looking to upgrade their properties. Energy-efficient windows and double-pane windows in Gilbert are designed to reduce heat transfer, keeping your home cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. With a range of styles and materials available, Gilbert residents can find the perfect windows and Patio Doors Gilbert to complement their homes. Vinyl windows in Gilbert are a popular choice for their durability and low maintenance requirements. Insulated windows and window sealing services in Gilbert further enhance energy efficiency, making them a wise choice for eco-conscious homeowners. Whether you're replacing old windows, installing new ones, or upgrading with Patio Doors Gilbert, there are plenty of solutions to meet your needs. Window frame installation in Gilbert is essential for maintaining the structural integrity of your windows. From minor installations to complete replacements, Gilbert professionals provide expert services to ensure your windows function properly. Window caulking and window sealing are additional services that help prevent air leaks and improve energy efficiency. For complete home upgrades, combine these with Patio Doors Gilbert. For top-notch window installation and window installation services in Gilbert, look no further. Our team specializes in energy-efficient windows and double-pane windows, ensuring your home stays comfortable year-round. Whether you need custom windows or vinyl windows, we have the perfect solution for your residential window replacement needs in Gilbert. Our expertise extends to window frame installation, window sealing, and Patio Doors Gilbert, providing comprehensive services to enhance your home's efficiency. Patio door installation in Gilbert is another area of our expertise. We offer a wide range of options, including sliding glass doors and French doors, to suit your style and functionality preferences. Our patio door services in Gilbert ensure seamless integration with your home's design. For those looking to upgrade their outdoor access, our patio door installation Gilbert services are second to none. When it comes to quality, patio doors Gilbert are the perfect choice. Window glass replacement in Gilbert is essential for maintaining the integrity and appearance of your windows. Our team is skilled in window screen replacement and storm windows installation, providing protection against the elements. We also offer window caulking and window weather stripping services to enhance insulation and reduce energy costs. Trust us for all your window glazing, window tinting, and patio doors Gilbert needs. Enhance your home's aesthetic with our selection of bay windows, casement windows, awning windows, and picture windows. Our custom windows Gilbert services allow you to choose the perfect style and design for your home. We also provide window hardware, glass door installation Gilbert, and patio doors Gilbert services to ensure your windows and doors function flawlessly. Our insulated windows and window tinting Gilbert services offer additional energy savings and privacy. For those in need of window frame installation Gilbert services, our team is equipped to handle any challenge. We specialize in window sealing Gilbert and window caulking Gilbert to prevent drafts and improve energy efficiency. Our window weather stripping Gilbert services further enhance your home's comfort. Whether you need window glazing Gilbert, window hardware Gilbert, or patio doors Gilbert, we have the expertise to deliver exceptional results. Our patio door services Gilbert include expert installation and installation of sliding glass doors and French doors. We understand the importance of quality and durability, which is why we offer only the best products and services. Our glass door installation Gilbert services ensure your doors remain in top condition, providing security and ease of use. Trust us for all your patio door installation Gilbert and patio doors Gilbert needs. In Gilbert, energy-efficient windows are a priority for homeowners looking to reduce energy costs and improve comfort. Our double-pane windows Gilbert services provide superior insulation and noise reduction. We offer a variety of options, including custom windows Gilbert, vinyl windows Gilbert, and patio doors Gilbert, to meet your specific needs. Our insulated windows Gilbert services are designed to keep your home comfortable in any season. Choose our window installation and window installation services in Gilbert for unmatched quality and expertise. Our team is dedicated to providing the best solutions for your home, from window glass replacement Gilbert to window screen replacement Gilbert. With our storm windows and window caulking services, you can rest assured your home is protected from the elements. Contact us today for all your window and patio doors Gilbert needs.